Hubstaff Time Tracker is a software as a service tool designed for monitoring employee work hours, productivity, and project progress. First, create an account on Hubstaff's website. Next, download the desktop app for Windows, macOS, or Linux, or the mobile app for iOS or Android. Then, configure settings such as time zones, billing rates, and project assignments. The Auto Setup feature, introduced in 2025, guides you through initial configurations in under 5 minutes. The core functionality revolves around tracking time spent on tasks and projects, providing real-time data for analysis and reporting. The app supports multiple timers per project or task and integrates with calendars for automatic project tagging. Hubstaff captures periodic screenshots by default every 10 minutes to verify activity levels and ensure accountability. Screenshot frequency can be adjusted from 1 to 30 minutes, with blur options enabled for privacy. AI analyzes content to flag distractions. Tracked time is aggregated into customizable timesheets showing hours worked, activities, and screenshots. Timesheets can be exported to PDF, CSV, or integrated with payroll systems like QuickBooks. Idle detection pauses tracking after inactivity, and manual entries allow for corrections. Clients can view timesheets for billing. Employees receive notifications for approvals. This promotes transparency and accountability.